One of the newest cameras from Lorex is part of the Nocturnal lineup, featuring matte black exterior coating and built from aero-space grade aluminum. The LND4750 is a low-profile dome camera providing 2K resolution. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors and both vertically and horizontally. Let's look at an exterior install. Lorex provides a hood mount in the kit, S1W-A2G, to allow the camera to be mounted on an exterior wall. But first we need to attach the camera to the wall mount. Simply remove the cover of the camera using the provided Torx wrench. The back plate has a number of mounting holes. Align 4 mounting holes on the camera body back plate with 4 threaded holes on the mount. Attach the camera using the provided Allen key bolts. Once the camera is secured, you may need to adjust the camera position and angle. The camera is ball mounted, so it can be adjusted inside the housing and rotated to accommodate many angles. The ball head has markings for the degrees of rotation to ensure the camera is oriented correctly. Replace the cover with the 2 Torx screws. Now outside. Drill a hole through the exterior brick and run the supplied Cat5e cable through to the exterior. Once the 2 holes for the wall anchors have been drilled, simply attach the wall plate with 2 screws so that the flanges point out. Connect the Cat5e cable to the camera and gently push the wiring harness into the cavity. Gently slide the camera and mount down onto the plate, making sure you catch the flanges. Now tighten the set screw on the bottom to ensure the camera is secure to the wall. The camera delivers stunning 2K images during daylight hours, and the camera is equipped with 10 infrared LEDs. These LEDs provide illumination for night operation. Here we see how the camera delivers sharp images in complete darkness. Once an exterior light is turned on, even more of the surrounding area is captured. The Lorex LND4750A offers very high quality, round-the-clock surveillance for all your security needs.